2007, a troubling incident unfolded at Mother Goose Special School System in Dagupan City, Pangasinan. Reese Palaganas, a grade school student, became the victim of repeated punching by his classmates, Mark Dye and Noel Fernandez, over a missing mechanical pencil. The altercation occurred during class hours, while the teacher in charge momentarily left the room to use the restroom. Despite Reese reporting the incident to his teachers, his complaints were initially ignored, and the school failed to inform his parents. It was only after a classmate noticed Reese's bruises that the matter came to light, prompting his parents to seek medical attention and demand an investigation. This scene sets the stage for understanding the school's responsibility and the subsequent legal battle that followed. Following the incident, Reese's parents filed a complaint against the school and the teachers, alleging negligence in handling the situation. The regional trial court found Mother Goose School and the teacher in charge jointly liable for damages, citing their failure to protect Reese during school hours. The Court of Appeals later modified the decision, exonerating the teacher but affirming the school's liability, classifying the incident as bullying. The courts highlighted the school's lack of protocols for addressing student harm, insufficient teacher training, and failure to communicate with the victim's parents. These findings underscored the school's gross negligence and set the foundation for the Supreme Court's review. Supreme Court ultimately dismissed the school's petition, affirming its liability but clarifying the legal basis. The court explained that Mother Goose School's responsibility arose not from quasi-delict or vicarious liability, but from a breach of its contractual obligation to provide a safe learning environment. The decision emphasized that educational institutions have a built-in duty to ensure student safety, and negligence in this duty constitutes a contractual breach. The court also discussed the difference between culpa contractual fault, and culpa aquiliana, tort, highlighting that negligence is presumed in contract breaches. The school's lack of action, inadequate teacher training, and failure to address the incident led to the award of moral and exemplary damages, plus attorney's fees, to Reese's parents. This case serves as a significant reminder for educational institutions about their legal and moral obligations to students. The Supreme Court's ruling not only imposed financial penalties on Mother Goose School, but also reinforced the principle that schools must actively ensure student safety and respond appropriately to incidents of harm. The judgment clarified that schools are not absolute insurers of student safety, but they must demonstrate diligence and proper protocols. The awarded damages, PHP 300,000 in moral damages, PHP 200,000 in exemplary damages, and PHP 150,000 in attorney's fees, reflect the gravity of the school's negligence. This decision sets a precedent for future cases involving student welfare and institutional accountability.